Hey Rose, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. Actually, great.
So describe yourself in 3 words.
In 3 words, soft, quite stubborn, very determined.
So what do you do on your day off?
On my day off, I love to just stay at home and do nothing and binge watch Modern Family.
So, we're curious, what's your favorite food?
My favorite food, I don't really have specific favorite food, but I like Japanese cuisine like sushi.
The one thing you can't live without.
My phone.
So who was more nervous for your first TV appearance, you or mom?
Me, my mum, she's of course excited nak tengok me on TV kan. Tapi I lah nervous nak keluar on TV. Kadang-kadang rasa macam awkward tengok myself on TV.
What's an advice that your mom has given you that has stuck with you until now?
I think tak hidup dek pujian, tak mati dek kejian.
So what do you love most about acting?
I think living as a different character, not as me. I think that's interesting lah about acting, and you explore a lot about emotions too.
Okay, fashion questions. What is your signature style?
Clean, minimal, and neutral color looks.
Love. What's one fashion trend that you tried that you regret?
I think that one trend where people pakai macam one ruffle kat sini, tudung, and I feel like dia buat I rimas throughout the day, dia macam jadi selipit. So too much work lah that tudung.
Alright.
Rose, so who is your favorite style icon?
Star icon. I think would be with Love Lina on Instagram.
We love her style too. So skirt or pants?
Skirt. I love skirt.
Flats or heels?
Heels, definitely.
Dressy or casual?
Casual.
Well, neutrals or colourful, but this one we know the answer.
Neutral.
So Rose, online shopping or going to the mall?
Going to the mall.
We absolutely love the outfit you're wearing. Can you share a bit about the Sharifah Rose x Poplook Collection?
This whole collection is inspired by vintage and retro looks because I love the classic looks. Because I'm always on the go, so I need something, an outfit that I can just fit in any occasion. But even though it's like from vintage and retro looks, we still keep the neutral colors because it's my favorite color. So this whole collection, we have formal wear, loungewear, dress, skirts, and casual wear.
Which are your favorite pieces on this collection?
Oh my god, that's a tough decision. I think my most favorite would be the corset shirt with the matching skirt. This is the skirt. Cantik kan? Please do get the skirt. Memang boleh match dengan any other top juga, not just the corset top. Corset top tu pakai itself pun memang cantik. Why I like it? Because it looks really flattering. You'll know if you get it. My second favourite would be the tweed blazer. Best sebab dia tak payah iron. So if you're on rush nak pergi office ke apa, tu memang the best outfit. My third favourite would be I think the loungewear with the blue colour. There's a ribbon that memang cantik. It has a matching pants also. Plus ada pocket. So kalau macam nak lazy days on Sunday ke, nak keluar pergi coffee ke, perfect outfit.
What would you like to say to everyone watching?
If you're looking for a week full of outfits, please do purchase Sharifah Rose x Poplook. You definitely love it.